Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Mira. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Welcome back to Hip Hop Cardio with Cicely, where you're gonna get a new video every single Tuesday and Thursday. I am back with Brent Faiyaz. Please forgive me if I'm saying his name wrong, but I really like this song. This one's gonna be short, sweet, with medium to high level of choreography. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get to it. All right. You all know what time it is. I am sorry. I apologize in advance. I could not find the clean version to this song. So just please kindly ignore any curse words. Remember to have fun. Don't get too caught up in the moves. All right, here we go.
Mira. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing to
Kick, arm, front, out, yes.
on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want
3 more.
when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna.
Let's take it round, yeah.
Till I die.
One more time.
What you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner, till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? MIA, I'm selling action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be blasting. Living in the midst of this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. Shit crazy. That's fuck. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm a stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. I'm a stunner till I die.